Welcome back to episode 6, baby, of a blindfold date and what you see today. After the videos routine, got sure, but just keep on watching and see because it's about to get heated. So I don't know what's happening, but I think I would let them start before I start. So Ntwana, like when ever since you've been so ufuna umuntu ozokuphatha kanjani?
Ngifuna umuntu ozongithatha kuma date engithengele vele mina umuntu odurayo ngithola. So I don't drink nyabhema. So yeah. And then the rest it's up to yena ke.
So Ntwana mawubhema loba inkawuza isigareti yini pipe
yeah.
Bhema pipe Ntwana. And when ngapha on the other hand like bewufuna umuntu ozokuphatha kanjani?
I mean angifuna umuntu ozonginika attention vele kuphela.
Attention vele yodinga vele attention seeker vele. So mase ungasela attention ku relationship vele hey is shy man.
Yeah.
Chomi uthi ufuna attention uthina yakho?
Ngizomgaya.
Nye magaya. Wasizogayezana ne attention abayifuna but it's still about to find out if the attention ikhona. So like what type of people are you into Ntwana? Like when it comes to your complexion.
Yeah. Dark or light, I don't mind. Yes, in complexion. Yes.
So like besides the complexion, what is it that matters to you? Vele kunikeza vibe like yabona. Hey.
Okay, like umuntu mele bekhona like mele bonakala ukuthi siyajola and stuff mele be present. Angithola.
And when Ntwana ngapha on your side, does color matter to you? Iqhakathekile noma ayiqhakathekanga?
I mean angifuna umuntu omhlophe vele.
Ufuna iCremora like white on the ocean like
Ngizomsaba.
Uthi ufuna iCremora more like someone olight nje light mali sebusuku ngoba emini ngima emnyama. It's already fire but Ntwana like okay Ntwana ngiyakuthola ngiyakho understand ukuthi ufuna iCremora but then the other thing like emfumba was like uthi wena Ntwana what's your biggest turn on about the person that you love?
Voice.
Esisingeka good sister
Mele ngithini?
Cabanga ukuthi voice laphi on
Eyami.
Eyakhe
Eyakhe grind.
Suzwile qhubeka.
Yeah, ivoice nebody yeah.
Ibe njani mele ibe ncane?
Mele ibe ncane angifuni isidudla mina.
Ijeke. Maybe uzochama exercises para sikola.
Maybe my face card izo
accept.
Yeah.
Phela maye decline le face card ya decline. Right then besides the face card the voice what more?
Ay sobana phambili.
And when I like on your side enough
She has to have amabele ngoba mina nginawo ne. Mara yena she has to have umzimba nginawo. I don't mind. After yo amehlo guys
kathi lo Ntwana vele ibele liqhathekile mawulibamba vele kumele libe lingathi ligcwele vele
yabo mele ligcwalisa sami
bathi lina magele lingelamavela elamavela amancane hayi itsukuphola kancane yekundiye mama lamavela amancane sifuna ngathi ntovo nkonto.
Yeah, that's all
Ntwana. Ntwana uthi ufuna umuntu olevile like ngibona ulala.
Mina nginalo.
Okay, asithini sonke nasibonanga but we are watching the episode still we going on but besides that you so reflect one Ntwana but besides that Ntwana zoqala kuwe what's your love language?
Your love language physical touch words of affirmation. Yeah.
Okay Ntwana besides ibele uthi is love language yakhe physical touch.
He's not make sure. He's
touch. It hurts. Physical thoughts and words of affirmation. And when awafa
physical touch.
La uthanda into zokubamba. Isibotoboto. Kuyabotobotozwana. We are on the same page. Emfukeli ulele. Bayo botobotoza. Usendlini mina ngabe isikolo back then I used to botobotoza mawuthi ngiyekho na what else are applying there? But then Donna like I would like to know which one is like umuntu yabu unai allowance. I like mali ntwana.
I can afford 20 rand per day.
Per day?
Yes.
So that means per week 20 by 7 that's 140. So end of which 140 by 4 is how much? Also sorry mbukeli wesisikhatha ko stock calculator fast vele lapha sibamba amanye amafoni I 560. Okay, siphethe mathematics yeni ithi 560 so 560 ngemonth. So nantwana ungenza njani 560?
Mina ngibheja umuntu ongibhejayo.
So wena
how much?
So ungadlula 560?
Yeah, ngadlula.
So wena like what are the things that you can use for monthly allowance 560? Peli 560 remember ile grocery half 5
Iyazama ikota nyano naleyo.
Ikota.
Yeah.
But it's better ukuthi uthole something than nothing. But wena mgelo guy bakunika yini 560 yona le. Ntwana shout out to you guy 560. Shout out to you guy 560 ntwana siyabonga ntwana like 560 ngathi imali ebhaya ntwana. Mara as for wena maye nato guy 560 atuzayenzani ngayo?
Wenze yenzani? Thenga ama cosmetics nokudla nje. Yeah, nothing much.
Hey, limzwile man, we still going on but changing topic. Ntwana like tell me about your last relationship like iphele kanjani yathi like yaphela ntwana like iphele kanjani like last relationship yakho.
Ngimfebele.
Yeah! Like ntwana bekushuta ngani ntwana?
Bengashoti. Ngimfebele nje angifuni ukusho okuningi.
Oh. So ntwana like how do you feel on ukuthi like yena umfebele ngapho for no reason ne?
Yeah, for no reason.
And like ntwana umfebele for no reason.
How do I feel?
How do I feel? Like, no reason, Chomi.
Like ayisiyafana ke.
Yo.
Ayisiyafana.
Now njalo.
Yo, yes.
No reason. There is no reason why you are watching this video because you are just watching for a reason to find something. Let me tell you, Axel a reason. Puma. But okay, siyaqhubeka. So my guys, how are we gonna work this out since long tooling on no reason? So you mean the reason why ngo video le?
Okay, fair mina ngiphila kayi-1 yabo.
Yeah.
So ngifuna u-explore before ngisekli shut down ngishitshela ukuthi lo muntu loyal nani. Bake bangihate mina yabo. Yeah, that's why.
So like when Antonio like do you want uyezwa phethu kwenzakalani Miguel? Like do you want something that's serious or kumbe ufuna something for vibes?
Khona manje just for vibes.
For vibes.
Ngoba ngisamncane nami ngisa experimenta and see yabona ama options.
Yeah.
After ke mangimatured. Yeah, ngizothola rights mara for manje anyadlala.
Yadlala. Lam yadlala. Chomi, unyadlala no serious.
Anami ngiyadlala.
Sonke siyadlala. La ubheka ivideo yadlala. I used to tell you. Like we love to play. Okay, but Mbugeli, we're not even there, but we're still going on. So, like, Ntwana, when do you like posting your personal person on public socials or like keeping it privately?
I am post.
Yes. And
Mina ngiyakupost
sometimes. Why sometimes,
yeah,
Ntwana?
sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah, mina ngimposte why.
So, post on why? Not every day. Okay, sometimes, but postana sometimes Mbugeli. So when from Uktaba kwakho lokubona kwakho before you finish the episode, what do you think? But we're still going on Mbugeli. So Ntwana like what's your biggest turn on Ntwana so far about her Ntwana? Like when a very like umuntu okuthena on unjani besides her?
Kungithena on.
Yeah.
Like vibe yakhe mele ibe niyami ngithola. So yeah, mina ngumuntu ophapayo.
When yakhe vibe injani? Fumba kwazi phela how indaba yazithanda.
Yo mina ngingcolile.
Uyisingcolile isibodo.
Ekhanda.
Oh. Okay, uli freaky. Ngesilungu kuthiwa yi freaky ne.
Ni freak. After ke umuntu one vibe nje ongazathi izinto personal vele siyadlala as I said before ngithola. Yeah.
Alezo Mbugeli zathatha but wena Ntwana wena what can you say from your side?
I mean ngilifuna uhlanga. Mele uphole manje intombazana.
Yeah.
Hayi. Ngihlanga.
Eshona nguwe vele uzibambiliwe ntwana vele like u-ignited like ntwana nguwe vele mbukeli libabas lefuna umuntu opholileyo ya andubekile yes libabas anisisonke ntwana
Angeke usithole isithunzi ngomuntu ophaphayo.
That's a part on top of another battle and it's a battle battle so like when Antona like njoba uzwitheni uthini like when what can you say
hayi ngizothenga amaphilisi ngizoyehla.
okay uthi uzathenga amaphilisi depression so uzoba depressed but we still going on Bugeli so like what can you say Ntwana like what's one thing that you feel between the two of you ungekamboni you have things that are common
Yeah, mina ngibona siklikha ngobufebe kuphela.
Liule it's very Ntwana okay wena Ntwana uthini i-vibe so yena ukutheni uthi liklikana ngokufebe wena uthi liklip but lothi baklikana ngobufebe on my left hand side uthi baklikana nge-vibe wona icabangani into eyi-one how so you mean lost la okay ozesosombukeli sendilahlekile yimba fethi baptasiz bafethi opportunity sidolungophuma isilwane sileperapa sendilahlekile bafethi so don't forget bafethi to buy amatanko jeans bafethi and don't forget bafethi to like and subscribe as you can see bafethi that is a Valentine present azayo bafethi as you can see on the screen make sure you buy for yours for your partner but mabe awuthela amagela abakuthandi yana cava so bafethi it's a battle if you don't feel it but we're still going on so like when Antwana like what can you say like do you believe in love at first sight nguwe Ntwana
Yeah, depends mawumuhle yeah
ngahlumboni vele igcwale vele ravi
yani
so vele same day kiss vele
same day not that far
esihlathini
uba like ngabuze yena
yeah
esihlathini ngingamboni
okay anyasho uthi lena my like mawuse umbonile ukuthi wena ngamkhisa first day
yena if she doesn't mind
Shani on baba kissana first day nakaze ngiyithola after 7 days yamnya fast day ikiss but Ntwana no going far Ntwana like Ntwana when Ntwana love at first sight uthini
Yeah, believe
Ntwana now on
Yeah, on.
Hayi mbuyeli we not so easy like as we thought Ntwana ngicobisa isandla sakho la bengicela Ntwana ubamba ikhala lakhe like maybe uzuthi linjani Ntwana woza ngapha ubuso kancane Ntwana yeah ikhala Ntwana indlebe phela ivalile lo likhala yilo yilo ikhala yeah libambe kahle lesi sleeve khuphuka sleeve nalikhala okay lizo kanjani likhulu lesi sihlathi bamba isihlathi lesi sobe isihlathi lapho ama cheeks okay lesi sleeve okay mama sobamba kakhulu alright so right so ulizwe njani Ntwana
usoft yena
soft we soft like very ngathi ifleece
yeah
what too soft soft mna Ntwana la somele ube 50-50 la somele bambi la uyabamba okay Ntwana la ngicobamba ubuso wakhe mawubuzo buma khwara ngathi iphangolini elumayo ushisho Ntwana Zaza meyani uyambamba please make sure you subscribe if you don't subscribe umuntu you subscribe if you don't subscribe I'll make sure you get to the subscribe because if you don't get to subscribe we say to subscribe no so Ntwana why uthi umuntu
Uthini?
why uthi umuntu like yena uthe wena soft uzweni Ntwana ikwenza ukuthi uthi like umuntu
Umuntu mina ngithanda umuntu ochaphi yabo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now do you feel like she's chubby? Oh, wow. And when I like from Ubambi Kara, like, do you think she's a slender or chubby? Slender, Ntwana.
Natumfishani, angazi.
Okay. Compliment from me, guys. Both of them, they're clean like Bashwara. Like, yo. Baon. So I'm beginning no wasting time bafethu. This is the time where we get it to a point of whereby bakhuluma bethu and get to see ukuthi yakhikapha yini na. Dala ngigqoka izazi yazi. I think senze libhura amazaza. Now amehlo am really it. Sengikhiphile amazaza sembashiya bethu. I think ngizohlalisa. You the guy, right? Yes, sir. But if you can see me, mina nyambona. You can't see me, man. So, yes. Sislahli zaza. Mama. Hey. So, Ntwana, ubuye this side on the middle chair. Yeah? And when I was the gentleman, you're the one who's holding the mic.
Khululeka.
Thank you. So, your 2 minutes starts now. Washa.
Hello.
Hi.
Right, ngicela ubheke this side.
Mara ngikubona so useless.
Nje physically bheka this side. Akudingi ukuthi ungibone. Uhlala
Berry. Uhlala ba?
mina ngihlala eSoweto.
Okay. So vakashile.
Yeah, ngivakashile. Ngasho kanjalo.
Okay.
Wena ngumuntu onjani?
Okay. Umuntu abantu mara kunama limits ngithola. Nje I just get along with people. Yeah, that's what you can say. Wena?
Mina ngumuntu othanda ukugroove yabo.
Okay.
Mina ngithanda ukugroove, ngithanda utshwala. Wena uyathanda utshwala?
Angiphuzi. Angithandi vele taste. So I prefer smoking. Yes.
Okay, mina umuntu obhema ngimfuna.
Nama.
Cabanga uzovuka ekseni ube busy ngokubhema.
Uphuza ke, there's no difference.
Mina ngiphuza emgroove, ngiphuza endlini siyahloniphana ngithi.
Okay,
Wena uthanda ukuthandana nami ngithanda engikuthandayo.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy ka ngicela ujini.
Okay, ngizomka imic emntwana ebuza.
So manje, okay, what can I say? If ngathi namhlanje siyekithi uzoyenzani? Uzothi
Ngavuma fela. Angisabe next.
awusabi next. Yo siyafana ke ama risk takers.
Angithi ngishilo ukuthi sithu siyifebe yabo.
Okay, I don't mind. Okay. What question? Yeah, mina angazi. Stizi woza.
Unyama noma umhlophe?
Oh, I'm dark.
Umnyama like umnyama.
Hi. Wena?
Mina ngimhlophe.
Oh, wait. Alright. Okay, guys. Ngisunga shift Ntwana back then. Okay, now I'm coming back to the zone. Okay, guys. So ibuza nje bamnyama, umhlophe, umnyama, umyikrim. Okay, Mbugedine, don't forget to subscribe. Then we're still going on as you can feel the vibe. But now, what do you think about their energy? Do you think that the energy matched, or do you think the energy was not matching? But Mbugedine, we're still going on. So, Buffet, this is the time. No Western time. It's the time that we're taking out their mask because I'm from Western Casa. Energy. Buffet, don't forget to subscribe. Mbugedine in 5, 4, subscribe 3, Mbugedine 2, subscribe 1, Mbugedine 1, 0, 1. So take. Let me say keep on okay. Sorry guys. Ufuna uqala mbani ukhuluma before? Ufuna uqala Ntwana?
Hello.
Hi.
Sondela. Unjani?
Ngishapha na.
Nami ngishap. Mina nginayo interest bafethu. Yo anginayo interest. Askis. Wena uzothi yami yabo.
Hayi abangani eshayile. First and last.
Akufakwa magana. Basofana.
Awes bafethu. I don't like what I see.
Chom. Like when you like what you see. La Ntwana I deserve. Bonke abadeservani. Alright, when you deserve yini osendlini obhekileyo. Okay, guys, what's the red flag about her, Ntwana? Did your voice match to the way she looks?
Yeah.
Ntwana yena yakhe matchile to the way she looks? Ayimechanga. So wena bewucabanga ukuthi yini?
Ugirl straight.
But yena uyini?
Uyiless.
Chomi, what can you say about this?
Uyi opposite type yami yabo.
Yeah.
So I won't waste my time.
So ngeke udlale lapha mfethu. So like when Chomi like when So ungamgama number ke? Try.
Why?
Nawe futhi?
Mina ngiyawafuna.
Yancane ntwana. So avela liboni like an opportunity to fix something or like work on ntwana.
Speechless.
Singaba abangani yabo.
Okay.
On 1 to 10 ntwana umganga ngayi.
Ngizomuphi 5.
Wena?
6.
5-6 mile yini lipasisana ama 10% ecabani sadlala la.
Asi type ya.
Yo. Mina ngithini manje Steve?
Oliphi abaphela ngambuye. But we still going on so like wena like ntwana. So like uzamthi physically vele kazange wamecha vele.
Uyi opposite.
Vele ka umfili vele ntwana.
Umuntu omhlophe, omfishane. Yeah, umhlophe bemfishane.
Yena umnyama kakhulu
yini.
yini.
Voice enhle.
Ulilahle yini like umnyama kakhulu.
Brown.
Liyane dark or light?
Brown.
I brown ayila medium. Ntwana wena
ngiyazi medium, ngazi brown.
So since yena ntwana yena uyethi wena ubrown umbona elight ecream or umbona icolor bani?
Yeah, uyi-cream mara ngithanda abantu abamnyama.
So yena which means ma a brown awumfeel?
Brown, akekho brown mos uyi-white.
Uyi-white?
Yeah.
Ntwana i-white le? Ntwana bathi.
Skolo.
Yo, isikolo. Alright, ntwana. Okay, that's somebody don't forget to subscribe. Uthi is white to your own eyes. But I'm saying white cause we got my light. So that's why we white. But then if you don't feel that, that's a part of man. But we still go. Ntwana I Facebook or IG handle name yakoba.
Fantastic Karese.
And when Ntwana?
Sister Vecha.
So Ntwana lo so as you can see mbukes lo fantastic RSA and omunye Sister Vecha uthini nickname le Sister Vecha.
Hayi.
Sethengisa ama veggie.
Ngathi ikhongo kanje understand.
You understand.
And lo fantastic RSA yini meli Jozi yonke?
Hayi angazi nami ngimangele.
Wena iso la so minister.
Hey, mara sathini?
That's something but we still going on but like ansakwazi. Is it a kwe or kumbinjani? But it's for you to find out. But mbukeli sibashiye on the first episode bay 2. Bevalila mehlo. Manje sabevulile mehlo, let me give them space and now ankayi lo emgaya oqala iMike. Imgaya kuliyana. But before imgaya hamba phela lawe efaka phela ku subscription oyi1 ulimali lawe. How? Salidinga phela. Le la khuluma la phela.
Okay. Ugrani.
Sharp wena.
Angisharp. Ngizothini eshamehlo yakho.
Ngiyachaza ni.
Amehlo ya.
Ngiyabona.
Mara
mina ngathanda ukuthi sibe ngabangani yabo.
Okay, nama I don't mind.
Mara ba ungafuni ukuthi sibe ngabangani.
Ngoba ngibonanga. How can I be friends ngumuntu engamboni ngisho?
Musuthe uthe ivoice yami inhle ngijudge ngevoice wathi ya.
Ivoice ya. Nami.
Ngitype yakho ni? Khuluma iqiniso.
No.
Bazoyikhatha le part uyitype yami.
No, you're not.
Okay, I sharp. So ba abangani so besihlangana epakini.
Hey. Okay, so mbukeli bahlangana epakini bafethu so as you can see I don't know. Which is why sihleli sifeyila like to make perfect partners or yini. But then mbukeli I pray that now on one episode sathola abantu abahappy that will come one day after 3 months to say ukuthi phela thina sesiye phela yakwazi like izolo kulabanye embashadi sile and like so ba own so I'm still thinking of ukuthi nisazobabona sebelama results phela I'm profit othana I'm a professor of love like okay so bafethu we still closing it here sayivala like ntwana lema friends vene so friendship
Yeah, like
hug Yeah, they're hiking each other, they're hiking each other, and I'm not hiking. I feel lonely. As a presenter, Buffett, when you get to this situation, I don't want to lie or tell you the fact, Buffett, but I'd rather tell you or confuse you with quarantine. Kubuhlungu sometimes by presenter cause yabusasakwazi iqiniso ukuthi kwenzakalani angaganga manje la mfila cela nizongihaka. So mbukeli, make sure you stay tuned, make sure mbukeli you subscribe to get the next episode, because if you don't subscribe you won't see the notification of futhi intwana ezincane njalo lazo video zidrophile kuyaringa la. So bafethu just looking to see each other forward loba kuyimi or kebe ku Furious Finance on the next presentation, but make sure bafethu stay tuned. I love you all with my whole heart. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll wait.